There's primarily two drivers for people to buy pollution legal liability on the energy sector. The first is they have an epiphany, and that's usually created by an incident. They dodge a bullet. And when you dodge a bullet, you suddenly become much wiser. You look at your policy, maybe you turn it into the insurance carrier. The insurance carrier says, oh, by the way, this isn't covered. So now you recognize you've got a gap. So risk managers go out and seek the coverage at that point because they now recognize how their policy, their CGL policy, is going to perform or not perform. That's the primary driver. Secondary issue, and we see this more today than we did 2 years ago. At $80 a barrel oil, you had significant cash flows, particularly on the oil and gas side. You could pay for incidents and you could pay for some of your defense out of cash flows. At $30 a barrel oil, you no longer have those cash flows. So what happens is risk managers begin to seek out the coverage to give themselves that pool of money that should they get involved in a gradual pollution claim, they have a pool, they have a place where they can go and get defense dollars and protect themselves and defend themselves because they don't have the cash flows to do it themselves today. Pollution insurance is a bit different from the standpoint of most insurance carriers don't want to be actively involved and run the actual remediation project. That's primarily due to issues of CERCLA. Once you become an operator, once you become actively involved in remediating a site, the federal government can come back and bring you in and basically get rid of any potential stops to liability that you may have had, such as your policy limits. So for the most part, the insurance carrier will be there to provide guidance, to provide back-end help, to provide defense, and to provide assistance to the company as they deal with the situation. It's rare that they'll actually take over the claim, just simply because they do not want to get into that stream of CERCLA liability.